Shan, let's throw away na. Enough na. Why are you crying? What? You don't want to throw away the snake? But it's scary. It's not scary? Are you sure? Hahanapin na siya ng mami snake? You want to play with it? Bait ba yan? Are you sure? Baka tayo bite niyan. What? Don't cry. Tell me. Baka tayo bite niyan.
So pretty.
So pretty. So
Love
pretty.
it. I love it.
You love it.
So much.
You want to play with it so much. But it's dead na. Why do you want to play with the dead snake? Inside the house? Baka hanapin siya ng mami niya eh. Ayan, tawag na si Ate Alexa ni Mami. Tawag na.
Wait lang.
No, I don't wanna touch it. Maganda yan. Throw away na natin, anak. Come on. Anin mo ba yung snake na yan? What are you gonna do with the snake? Snake is not a toy. It's not a toy. Don't bring that inside the house, anak. Oh, wait lang, wait lang.